Over the past year, my process to make my coffee elixir has become more refined. I prefer to use instant coffee because it's easier to make on a weekly basis. Not that anyone would have a problem making coffee on a daily basis. I just try and keep things minimalistic. My updated coffee mixture is much easier to apply. It's a lot less messy. The nozzle allows me to make more targeted applications. I just have to make sure that I'm very controlled in my usage, using small individual drops instead of just squirting the mixture all across my head. I start by bringing a third cup of distilled water to a slight boil on a stovetop or in the microwave. I do not recommend using unfiltered tap water. I add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee immediately to this water after pouring it in the cup. I prefer to use coffee over caffeine pills because there are additional components to coffee that may be beneficial in growing lost hair and thickening existing hairs. Coffee also has proven antifungal properties. There are organic brands of coffee for anyone wishing to go that route, and I'm just skeptical of things in pills bought over the counter or online. So if you do decide to go the caffeine pill route, make sure your source is a good one. I prepare 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. I add 3 drops peppermint oil and 3 drops of rosemary oil to the teaspoon of sweet almond oil. The sweet almond oil is mostly for fragrance. You can use any oil you prefer or skip it altogether. Peppermint and rosemary oil have strong evidence supporting their ability to regrow hair and slow hair loss. I add the oil mixture to my coffee mixture and give it a stir. I place the mixture in an applicator bottle such as this one. I use this type of bottle because it is easy to unclog. Sometimes I will soak coffee grounds in the mixture for several hours and use it as a scalp scrub before cleansing in the shower. Also, a bottle like this makes it easy to remove any grounds that may clog the nozzle of the applicator. I've used this mixture to regrow scalp hair, thicken my eyebrows, and accelerate my beard growth, and I hope it can do the same for you. Catch you in the next video. Peace.